Mount Kilauea is the most active volcano in the world, and thankfully and kindly, it decided to become more active this week for us. Sunshine Helicopters is going to take us up for a bird's eye view.
Getting in the aircraft today, we have floats on the bottom, and this illustration is yellow, but when we do get out to the aircraft, they are gray. Please don't step on those. I'll point out to where you can step as you enter and exit the aircraft.
Hawaii has 3 active volcanoes. Along the western edge of the Kilauea Caldera Wall, it's about 400 feet deep. The Halemaumau crater normally puts out over 2,000 tons or so for the oxidative day.
There's a lot of activity. There's a lot of vents.
Yeah. Now the trees out to the right front of us is getting burnt down. It's from the lava flow that was flowing along the tree line that kind of cooled down already. Out to the right front of us inside the tree lines over here is where you have the Scenic Crater Road. Takes you down the hill towards the coastline, towards the west end road closure where the road ends. That comes down to Hawaii Volcano National Park.
How high are these sea cliffs?